Go on.
Okay, so I'm just getting that news now, and so for me, I would say that the Senate has done well, and the Senate, should recover its power as the Senate, and not be focused on what an individual is doing or is going to do. Wherever two senators have, let them fight it amongst themselves. Let the instrument of the institution should not be used. After saying that, the next thing I'm going to say is that how are we okay as Nigerians with our taxpayers' money being wasted? Yesterday, I was in court with Senator Natasha at the Federal High Court. Today again, I'm in court here with Senator Natasha over the same issue raised by the state, the federal government, through the Attorney General's office, wasting money, wasting judicial time, precious judicial time on a case that is between individuals. Why are individuals abusing the instrument of the state to pursue whatever it is that they have? This has to stop. In anything that we do, institutions must be sacrosanct. We must never have strong men or strong women when we must have a strong institution that are there to protect Nigerians and take care of their welfare. At this moment, I think something needs to give. Even the judiciary should be at a place where they will no longer allow themselves to be the willing tools of corrupt politicians. Thank you.
Beautiful. After a 6-month wait, the office of the senator, your immediate reaction?
We're just getting that information on the pages of our social media. So we've not received any official information from the Senate. So we'll be waiting for official information from the Senate.
So if eventually it's open, how do you feel, given that we had a lot of back and forth in the court cases, and now that the aim was for her to be recalled to the Senate? So how do you feel?
As constituents, we feel that we've been shortchanged for long. It's supposed to have come long before now, and obviously we'll be asked for reparation.
Any other question?
Your full name again, please.
My name is Jacob Girima Anebe.
Thank you very much.